Ever feel like your cat waits until payday to stage a medical emergency? Or your car senses when your checking account's low and goes full drama mode? Certified financial educator Bola Sokunbi, founder of Clever Girl Finance, shares smart, stress-free ways to build an emergency fund without blowing up your entire financial plan. Tip 1. Start by calculating how much you actually need. Rent, utilities, transportation, and debt payments. Then aim for 3 to 6 months worth. If your income's unpredictable, lean toward the 6-month side. As for where to keep your money, Sokunbi always recommends a high-yield savings account. It keeps your money safe, earns a bit of interest, and, most importantly, is easily accessible when life throws something unexpected your way. Tip 2. Feel torn between saving and paying off debt? In Bola Sokunbi's opinion, you don't have to pick just one. Sokunbi recommends that you start by putting a small buffer, $1,000 to $1,500 in savings, to cover small emergencies, while contributing a small amount of your income to retirement savings. For example, 5% of your income, or at least enough to get any employer match. Then shift some focus to paying down high-interest debt. Tip 3. Small wins now, big gains later. Even if your budget's tight, you can start small. According to Sokunbi, it's not about perfection. It's about building a habit that sticks. Automate $5 to $10 a week. Throw in your tax refund. And here's a mindset hack. Name your account something like Peace of Mind Fund to help you stay committed. So yes, your cat might still be a furry financial menace, but with Bola Sokunbi's strategy, that vet bill won't destroy your dreams. Emergency fund? Check. Financial goals? Still on track. Got a money question? Head to GoBankingRates.com and ask away for a chance to win $500. Plus, your question could be answered by a top financial expert.